You can grab these metal brackets and just rip them straight out of the wall. It feels right. It feels glorious. But if you keep doing that, you are going to be left with a horrendous mess that you're not going to want to repair. So let me show you the simple, clean method to take out your wire shelves. Barely any damage and just a few simple tools. First things first, and the most important step, you have to remove all of the angle support brackets first. Now to get these out cleanly, the secret is to remove the little metal locking pins. They push out those nasty security flaps that wreck everything when you pull them out. To get the pin out, it's needle nose pliers all day, every day. Best tool for the job by far. Grip it and rip it. A little twisting action can help too. Once the pin is out, you can grab the plastic clip with the pliers. Be patient here. If you yank it out on an angle, you're going to tear the drywall. Straight out is key, and a little wiggling doesn't hurt. You can see the difference from the clean pull versus the shredded yank. It's night and day. Next up is the back wall clips. These ones snap closed and hold the rear edge of the shelf. So some of these are not going to be clipped in super strong. You can just finger them out. If you have strong fingers, that will work. Some of them are pretty tight and you're just definitely going to need the pliers. So I pretty much just use the pliers for all of them so I don't get embarrassed in case I can't get one. And the cameraman is just quietly chuckling to himself. If you don't own needle nose pliers, what have you been doing with your life? Everyone should own a pair of these. These are nice and they work brilliantly for this particular job. These are the best needle nose pliers in the world. I will link both of them down in the description, and you can figure out what type of a tool psycho you want to be. Pop all the clips free. And then stand the shelf upright. Now this is where you want to be extra careful. It's super easy to start jamming this thing into the wall. Start at one end. You may need to smack that edge free. Work it along, get that back edge all the way out of the clips. Then you want to just carefully angle that thing out of the way and get it out of the closet. Now the fun part. We get to remove all 74 of the support clips. It's tedious, but it's not hard with the right tool. Take the pin out, wiggle the plastic clip, pull it straight, rinse and repeat. We actually got a really cool, fun focus pulling shot here. This is cinema. When it comes to the side brackets, pull the pins. Now you can muscle these out. It's a bit of a struggle. If you have a little small pry bar, that's really going to help. You get that in there and then you can lever the thing straight out and minimize the damage. Now at this point, you're probably wondering what you're going to do with the old wire shelves. May I suggest a foolproof closet dog pen? This is going to keep the dog out of your hair for the remainder of the project. Now the last thing here is to patch the holes. I just use Dridex. I got a 2-inch putty knife and a 4-inch putty knife. Scrape all the little fuzzy bits off of the holes with the 2-inch knife. Put some Dridex onto the 4-inch knife. It acts as a little drywall hawk. Patch the holes, hit it from a couple angles. Then you want to just take the butt of your knife and just round that in there a little bit. That's going to help glue down any of the loose remaining fibers. Smooth it over up top. You may need to add a little more. If you want to try and get away with one coat, you can build it up a little heavy. Probably the smarter way is to do 2 light coats, but hey, choose your own adventure. And if you want to see how to do perfect miters every time, go ahead and click on this video right over here. Performance mode initiated. Watch out. Okay. Whoa.